How to manage comments on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage comments on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings, and now go down again until you find this one, activity log, and then click here interactions and click comments, and here you can manage your comments. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.